Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited because guess what time it is? It is time for another 30-second card in 5 minutes. Sometimes it could be 6, sometimes it could be 4. You never know, okay? I do have on my desk, I just finished taping the Kit Club video, so I do have some Kit Club stuff on my desk. The Hello Fold It just came out, so I might use that. Who knows? Who knows? I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. Okay, Kenny. Are you ready to start the time? Because we're just going to jump in and go. Okay, let me think for half a second. On your marks. Get set. Start the time. Okay, so I know I'm going to, oh, this pixie is nice and thick. I'm going to fold this in half. This is going to be my card base for my hello. So I'm going to lay this down really quick. And I'm going to lay this down and I'm going to run this through right there at the top just like that. And I'm going to run that through. Okay, run. Done. Now what I'm going to do is, because that kind of doesn't look good at the top, right? I'm going to grab the same color and I'm going to do that again. I'm going to do it again. Okay, so we're going to lay that down. I got that one. But I'm also going to take the next one and I'm going to do that in white. So I'm actually going to do 2 for the price of 1, right? Die cut those at the exact same time. Right next to each other, just like that. I'm going to lay that down and we're going to run. Oh, come on. Run that through just like that. Go. Whoops, don't move. Okay, go. Running that through. Oh, doesn't help when you get it crooked. Okay, so here we have our hello. We have our background. Grab these. Come on. Okay. So bring it over here. We're going to add adhesive to the back. Now, if you've never seen one of these videos and you're like, why is she hurrying? You have to go watch the first one, okay? Because it'll totally make more sense to you. It's just a shtick thing we do around here. It's kind of fun. Back in the day, 12 years ago when we started the company, over 12 years ago, I thought I could make literally a 30-second card. So I said, Kenny, let's make a video called the 30-second card. And yeah, that didn't work. Okay, so we're going to lay that down right there. Now we need to die cut the letters hello. Now my die is going to look a little different than yours because mine's a prototype die, but it will work for what I need. And I'm going to grab some cards. Ooh, let's use this one. So this is from our paper pad. I'm going to lay this down and I'm going to die cut it like this. Kind of try to get it straight because we want it to be straight with a smaller cutting pad. There we go. We're going to lay that through and we're going to run that through just like that. Okay, so now I have all my awesome letters. All my awesome letters. Come on, scrape them off. Okay, let's add adhesive to the back of these. Kenny, you better get ready with that timer because you never know how soon I'm going to be done. Okay, so I'm going to add the H, I'm going to add the O, adhesive to the O. Let's do the O first because it's right there. Now we got to make sure we do the stripes the right way. Okay, so I can't do the O first. So there's the H. The green stripes go up there at the top. There we go. Got to get my O on there. Okay, let's add the L. So this paper is from our Kit Club. If you're not in our Kit Club, you need to check it out because it's pretty awesome. And it comes with a card die. Not this one, but a different one. Okay, so we're going to add this one right there. And we're going to add the E. Come on, right there. Now, we need to, do more than this, right? So, because technically that could be done, because look. Whoa, it's a card, but it needs to have something on the inside. So, let's find a stamp. Ooh, let's do this one. So, that says hello. So, let's say my friend. So, let's do that. So, say get this. I like to lay it down first like that so I know where it's going to go. Make sure it looks good. Now we have it perfect. We're going to add a stamp. Okay, Ken, I hope you're getting ready, babe. Get ready to hit that off. Okay, there's my friend. Now we're going to go on the back. We're going to get our stamp that says, I made it for you, keep it forever kind of thing, just for you. And hang on. It needs one more thing. It needs something else. Epoxies. You never go wrong with epoxies, right? So let's grab some epoxies. And ooh, let's do some purple. So I always like to do, oops, I peeled it off too fast and took the adhesive with it. Oops, that one didn't work. Okay, so let's grab this blue one. Let's do blue, and let's do another blue, And I always say whenever I sneeze, stop, 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 stop. Did you stop it? Okay. He didn't! He waited like 10 more seconds. Punk. Okay, so because he made it, I'm going to move this guy over just a little. Okay. Because he waited 10 seconds longer. Okay, so hang on. That was pretty good, actually, you guys. Okay, look how cute this is. So I love that stripe. Isn't that fun? So it says hello. Look how cute that is. Hello. Open it up. My friend. And even on the back, it says made just for you. Oh, sorry. Made just for you. Love you, Stephanie. What? I know. Not bad if I do say so myself. That was fast. Okay. I'm interested to see how much the time is, Kenny. Go ahead and show me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Olive Garden, here I come. Which one is the correct one, though? The shorter one, right? Because you were so slow. Okay. 4 minutes and 24 seconds. That's all I'm going to say. 4 minutes and 24 seconds. Stamped on the inside and the back. Has embellishments. Has pattern paper. Has cardstock. You can't beat that. That's going to be like a record one, I think. Because that's pretty good. I'm like impressed with myself. This video is so short because I was so fast. I'm so proud of myself. So as I'm doing this, I'm even cleaning up because I'm so fast. So my friends, boom, look at that. If I can do it, you can do it. So easy peasy, so simple. The word foldeds are really fun because they're so easy. So thank you for joining me for another 30-second card in 4 minutes and 24 seconds, if I do say so myself. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl.